This video will demonstrate how to create meetings and properly document forms while out in the field. If you hold your iPad in portrait mode, select the hamburger menu in the upper right corner, then Meetings and Forms. If you hold your iPad in landscape mode, this option will be available in the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Whichever orientation, select Create in the upper right. Next, select the bar labeled Content. Enter the meeting name and select the content you're looking for. Some examples of forms that you might use out in the field are JHAs, toolbox talks, and inspections. In this example, we've selected our demo JHA, which comes with a blank version of the form attached. We'll fill that form out in a moment. Next, add participants to the meeting. In the Participants field, type the names of employees and select them. If the wrong name gets added, it can be removed with the red X on the right-hand side. Next, let's fill out that JHA form. Under the Content field, you'll see the JHA form from earlier. Tap the magnifying glass to the right of that form. Our blank form appears, and we can use just about any method you'd like to fill it out. You may have to tap the Edit Forms button before you can fill it out. Then, tap on one of the blue fields to open the keyboard. Here you can type, or if you tap the microphone icon, you can dictate. Project, quote, build the stairs, quote. Tap it again to stop dictation. You can also use an Apple Pencil. Tap a field, then in the upper right corner, tap the pen icon. Now you can start writing in that field. Tap the Edit Forms button again to let you switch to another field. When you've filled everything out, tap Done in the upper right-hand corner. This is filled out enough for our example. Once the form is filled out, you'll see it populate in the document area below Attachments. Next, add in any notes relevant to your meeting. If there are any photos or other attachments that need to be documented, add them in the Attachments area here. Before we move on to signing, double-check this area and make sure everything you need is uploaded. Now select Go to Signature Page and pass the iPad around for all attendees to sign. This verifies that they were present for the meeting. Once everyone is signed, select Complete Signing. Now that all the steps are complete, select Save as Completed in the bottom right-hand corner. If there's important information that needs to be documented throughout the day, you can select Save as Draft instead. This saves what you have, but allows you to modify it however you wish before completing it. When you save your draft, you'll be taken back to the Meetings and Forms page. Any draft you've saved will be visible here. You can get back into your draft by tapping the pencil icon. If you ever find yourself back at the main page of the app, navigate to Meetings and Forms like we did at the start of this video, and then you'll see your drafts. As a reminder, if mistakes were made during the preparation of the meeting, you'll get pop-up errors when you select Save as Completed. For example, here we filled out everything required for the meeting except the Content field. If we hit Save as Completed, we get a pop-up error message. If you see one of these, you need to check to make sure all of the required fields are filled out. Once that's fixed, you can hit Save as Completed like normal.